You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Oh, hey there, crafty friends. It's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and it's mystery box time. We have a new Cricut mystery box, and this one is the Easter Bunny mystery box. And it comes with the RARE White Cutie. Links to purchase are in the video description below. So let's go ahead and I'll show you what's all in this box. First up in the box, we are getting a tube of the premium vinyl, and this is permanent glossy, and this is this beautiful spring huckleberry color. Which is perfect for those spring Easter projects. It's like a lilac almost, but has a little bit more color to it. And you're going to get 12 by 48 inches of this. And we're going to get 2 of the fabric grip mats. So this mat is great for cutting all of those fabrics from cotton, polyester, denim, canvas, and felt. We've been seeing so many cute felt projects. Oh, and you can also do the crepe paper on here too. I don't know if you guys seen around Valentine's Day, but everybody was making these crepe paper roses. Oh my gosh, they looked so real. They were gorgeous. This mat has a light adhesive on it, which makes it easy to pull your fabrics off. I also see lots of beautiful quilts being made, and this is the mat you're also going to want for that. And we are getting a tube of the premium vinyl, and this is removable mat, and this is a great neutral cream color. So with that, you're going to get 12 by 48 inches, and it is removable, which if you're like me, I tend to switch things up in my house a lot, so I really like that I can go ahead and these aren't permanent things, and when I change my mind, I can pull it down and there's no residue. Also in the mystery box, not my puppy Lucy Lou there. That's my puppy Lucy Lou, my Bernedoodle. She's going to be 1 in 3 days, guys. I can't believe that. But anyway, let's get back to what you get in this. You are getting a tube of the premium vinyl sampler basics. So you're going to get 6 12 by 12 sheets. Wait a minute, I'm just seeing this. Definitely 12 inches by 12 inches, not 12 feet like it says there. But we're going to get 1 12 by 12 sheet of each color. So we're going to get 1 parchment, 1 black, 1 white, 1 coffee, gold, and silver. And we're getting, I love this stuff. It's just fun. We're getting a tube of the glow-in-the-dark vinyl, and we're also getting a tube of the glow-in-the-dark iron-on. Both of those you're going to get 12 by 24 inches. But I was just thinking, how cool would it be if you did a night Easter egg hunt and you used glow-in-the-dark vinyl on it? I just thought of that. That would be awesome. We are also going to get a tube of everyday iron-on. We're going to get this in the neon yellow and in the cornflower color. You're going to get 12 by 24 inches of this. Actually, I'm thinking that neon yellow will be perfect. We're having an 80s theme night for our Patreon hangout. We're doing to go see the the solar eclipse down in, we're going to Columbus, Ohio, staying there, and then going to Greenville to see the eclipse. And that will be perfect for the 80s night. I'm so excited. But yeah, and don't forget, all this iron-on and vinyl for the card makers, you can use this on cards also. I love to do that. Then you don't have all of the little pieces. Ooh, and that glow-in-the-dark iron-on and vinyl. That would be really cool on cards too. Like, especially a Halloween card, that glow-in-the-dark. And last but never ever least is our cutie friend. This is the White Cutie, the RARE White Cutie. So he's not new, but he is rare. And this cutie came out in February of 2021. And because we get the cutie, this box is available to Cricut Access members only. Oh my gosh, I said it right. It is available to Cricut Access members only. And there's so many benefits to join an Access. If you're not an Access member, links are below to join, and links are also below to purchase the mystery box. We greatly appreciate when you use our links. We just get a small commission from it. Oh, and for our Access members, don't forget to use your $10 quarterly code. That ends at the end of this month, and the code is WINTER10. So that's going to give you $10 off and free shipping, and it's one-time use only. But don't forget to use that. And I'll also put the links to our Patreon group. On this Saturday, we are so excited. We are having the crafting wizard herself, the Houdini of paper crafting, Louise Beauregard. She is going to come in and craft along with our Patreon members, and she so graciously made this amazing file for us. So it is available to all of our Patreon supporters. We're really excited for this event. We're so happy we got Louise, so I hope to see all of our crafty friends in there. So thank you guys for watching us today. If you could give us the thumbs up, comment below, did you get the box? Did you get the RARE Cutie? And as always, we want to spend many, many, many thanks to our awesome admin team. You guys, the ones who are supporting us, watching us. And I can't tell you how thankful I am for your little positive comments that you guys leave on the videos. They actually mean so much. So thank you guys. And I hope you guys have a craftastic week. Happy crafting and doodles from Alex. Bye.